Tukiambĩrĩria ntoni cietu nyuma ya rwaria rwa muthenya wa egoro rwa Rais Ruto ntuko ya egoro kirombaga Raila Odinga kurekana na maandamano na kwithirwa kigwatira kwaraniria na kinyagia thiri tuko ya umundi Rais Ruto na rutite mwerekera kiri utongoria wa bunge nene kuruthana karugi gutigira kwina kamiti ya mwanya iria ikethirwe kireithiria mateta ma Raila Odinga na nkuruki njuri ino ethirwe ikithirwa ikimenya buria montu ma monde makethirwa makibingwa na mutongoria wa NTHITANGO cia mungi NOORDIN HAJI natesaniretie magamba maria mararuguritwe bunge mathandatu ma murengo wa AZIMIO nkuruki nimaugite makethirwa makerekeria antu nkuruki ya magana mairi maria methirwe makigwatwa nuntu wa maandamano ma AZIMIO.
Should there be no meaningful engagement or response from Hon Ruto to our counter offer, we resolve to resume our demonstrations after 1 week.
Na mutongeria wangwataniro ya AZIMIO Raila Odinga ikabubini na ndetera wakurukia kiumia kingi kimwe nontugarwe bunge nene ninyagarwe bunge senate kagite nega kashirutha nikethero cicokera kuma kiumia kitwitite eitha mwabu ngugekunda kamiti ya kwari mabata njira kwenda kuthoja kingwa niambiririe ararukirwa ntukwe narua Rais William Samoei Ruto atirimana otongere wa bunge sho ijiri na berekithiria bethro beithia na mpuko sho marito ja bunge baraba kethro bakia kiama bakamiteje kivya kiu kenge otongere bwangwataniro ya AZIMIO kiri bunge ninya bunge senate beri kuthro betirimana ntukwe rojo araba sho marietwa na bajo na bethro beje kiri mocho mojo PG ntukwe ya ramisio kimeke kamiti jento yokominio ikethro na rungamiri ba bunge kumanteresho ijire isho kethro na secretariat ni nyankoro kinjuro kana expert kumaome wone ondwa na bunge sho ijire cia shokerwa oje kwendekithiria kana na gichonko motion ikethro iretwa kenda kurungika mubango jo gushwa commissioners babero banki ya IBC.
We want our election to have meaning, that how Kenyans vote is actually what is eventually announced by the Electoral Commission. We have also said that we do not want to see the 4 commissioners who had said no to be sacrificed. We want those commissioners to be reinstated so that we can be able to move in as a country in one and a united way.
Nteto wite ko motorere amwa kurugoro wa sava ni moja nteto idhano Odinga kwethro akenda ni kethro ikererwa ikamiti ya PPG.
At time like this we should go back to subsidies which are being applied by the former regime so that the cost of living can come down to the majority of our people. So that is not compromisable. It is one of our irreducible minimum.
Tayari naku jamoja mendekithiri Odinga ijambiri ya kudhura chira matunda kesi magana jairi jantu baraba kwatira kaitene kama maandamano ni nyabunge batandatu shido shigito kotini ntukwe narwa imwerekithirio magamba janthigurone Kenya DPP NOORDIN HAJI okoriro naku ojo no kamite BBI retongere tu mukoro HAJI ni nyamati mwangi yambiririe na kombekana nande ngwataniro njeru katikati Odinga na Rais Ruto ikethro ikionekana okorukira kamiteje.
As a believer in the rule of law and as a believer in running an accountable government, our position is that we should never be in the position that this country was put by the handshake, where there is no distinction between government and the opposition. Our position is that we want to engage our brothers and sisters on the other side on issues that are important to the people of Kenya, them as an opposition, us as a government.
Nke reporter Antoshauru TV kumaja kingine kine mushumoja Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.